2018 Q7 3.0 turbo supercharged. So we're doing the starter, and I'm just going to show the process how to take it out. So first we're going to remove the belt. It's a T30. Hold this bracket here, take the bracket out, and 13, you get a 13 wrench and you put it right here, and you take the belt off. You're going to take both belts off. That's the alternator belt, and the next one is on top. There's a 13 detensioner, oh it's right here, detensioner 13. So take this one off, and then I already have the starter out. I'm just going to show you guys how to take it out like that. So you're going to take the alternator out. There will be 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 on the top for the alternator. There's alternators there. These are the bolts for the alternator. And you take that out, then you have to take the engine mount out. Engine mount here. Okay, so it's going to be like this in here. It's like this. One bolt here. The socket for that is this here, 12 mm. Yeah, so there's one bolt here. There's 2. So basically all 3 of them is from back here. It's these are the mount bolts. The same hex sockets. The mount, and then you got the bracket. Bracket. The bracket have 1 bolt here, 1 over there, and 2 at the bottom. Then the starter bolt. There's 1 70. Show you how to get the 7. It's a 16 12 point. No, it's a 15 12 point. 12 point 15. No, I'm sorry. It's a 16 12 point. So you take this cover, this cover. right there. And we got all the way back here. All the way back here. Long extension. There's my extension with a swivel socket on the end and a 16 12 point. You like work with your hand here, then you have one hand go from to help you put the bolt, help you hold the socket onto the bolt. Can't really see the bolt from here, but that's about it for that. And normally use an alternator wire. And this is a ground wire that goes onto the mount. Yeah, I'll show you guys how to put it back in when the starter gets here.
Put button in